So hi friends, today I'm gonna make an omelette with this super cool smart gadget, Tusa egg boiler.
Okay.
So now let's start.
Are you going to boil eggs?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Gonna make an omelette.
Huh?
Gonna make an omelette.
Oh. Okay, start.
Okay.
What omelette?
Cheese omelette.
Hmm? Cheese
omelette.
omelette.
Now I'm gonna grate some cheese. Friends, even I feel like having some cheese. Enough! You won't have it. Amma, he's fully baking. Tell him to stop.
Okay,
Amma.
okay.
Amma, I'm having one too.
What? This cube. Okay, wait.
I'm having one.
What?
We just made this DIY thing. So this is a spray bottle of oil. So it makes the dish more healthier. Yeah. So if you want less oil in something, you can just spray it and you have it healthy.
Don't spray, don't spray.
Mama, I want to spray.
You want to spray? Okay, let Athar spray. Let Athar spray.
Okay, let him spray.
Me also.
Huh?
So only this much is left. I'm gonna
Take half. Okay.
half. I lift it.
Okay, it's okay. Give it.
Yeah. We are gonna make omelette in this tray. So let's just spray some oil. I'm gonna grease this tray now. Should I press?
No.
No.
I've done the greasing. And it's also very shiny.
Thank you.
I have 2 eggs here. I'm gonna season it with salt.
Pepper. What's this?
Snap in mixed herbs.
So Italian omelette.
Not so much. Done.
What's this?
He
Goo
sprayed.
gaga.
He put it.
Okay.
Now time for.
Little more.
Now I'm gonna beat it.
Do you know how to whisk? Huh?
I'll do this. This is not whisking. If
This
you
is
do,
mixing.
you have to whisk it. Give. No.
Okay, wait, let him do.
How will it become proper if you do like this? It is not whisking. Ada, do properly. That's splashing. No.
Okay, teach him. Let him teach.
Yes! You're splashing. Now we have beaten the eggs. I'm gonna add cheese. So now I'm gonna add the cheese.
Leave some cheese. You can sprinkle it after you
Mama.
have poured it.
Should I?
Okay.
Leave some cheese.
Leave some cheese. Kana last. We'll put some last
And now
for
mix it.
garnish.
Huh?
Just mix it.
So no onion, nothing, no? It's only plain cheese omelette.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now add it here.
If there would be cheese, I would add cheese.
It is cheese only, no?
I mean corn.
Corn.
You can also add cheese.
Athar
You can also add breadcrumbs.
This looks like rice.
Athar wanted to make cheese corn omelette, but there's no
This
corn.
looks like rice. Stop. This looks like rice. Okay, now add it.
Should I?
Yeah.
Juicy. Be careful, otherwise it'll spill not on the...
Color omelette.
Very little you have to sprinkle now. That's all. After the omelette is done, we'll sprinkle it.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna show you how to use this machine. Always take help of a adult.
I am the adult.
So first, we have to pour water using this measuring cup.
Now place the omelette tray.
Now place the omelette tray
In the middle.
in the middle.
In the middle.
Close on this and switch this on.
And switch this on.
So once the omelette is done, this will automatically switch off.
Yeah. I'm waiting.
Omelette.
Huh?
Say friends, this is poached omelette.
Friends, this is a poached omelette. Friends, look, it has so fast got steam on its top. And don't put your hand here, hot steam. Be careful. So friends, you can also make soft boiled, deviled eggs, poached,
Hard-boiled.
and normal eggs. Hard boiled too. If you want to buy this is available in Amazon. Friends, it literally tastes awesome. Awesome. And he's steaming it.
He's steaming his glasses.
Maggie, I want to smell. Order.
Show me your lens.
Friends, it became into a big bang bubble.
Huh? Bubble.
Done.
Got switched off automatically, so it's done. Wait, I'll lift it
And I'm
because
gonna
it's
put
this
the-
hot steam. You should not place your fingers. Whoa!
Look, it's a big bang bubble.
So it took little less than 3 minutes.
It's better than I expected.
So now I will remove this because it's still hot. Okay, so we are done with this. So now this is super soft, okay? It will break if you handle it. If you don't handle it properly. Wow. Look at that. Sorry. Okay. It didn't break. I was showing them the thickness. Wow.
So wines with some
I will put
Okay. The final cheese garnish.
no coriander.
No coriander. So you can put vegetables, onions, tomatoes, mushrooms, and ketchup. What is this? Yuck.
That's boy special.
Boys special. Ayyo. Careful.
Chef style, no? Hey, wait, I will cut.
Wow. Happy birthday to you.
Wait, please.
No!
Ah.
Cut them.
It looks like pizza actually.
First one.
Tastes, smells, looks like pizza. How is it? How is it? Brilliant. Soft.
Hey, those two are mine.
I also want to taste, please. Thank you.
Awesome.
How is it? How is it? I tasted it. So good. Athar with his plate absconding.
Nice?
Yummy. How does it taste with ketchup? Because I didn't taste it with ketchup.
Friends, I'm enjoying my cheese omelette. Hope you like it. Please press the bell button and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Serida. Acting.
Click.
I clicked.
Click.
Athar wants a nice thumbnail picture.
Again.
Okay, I'll click. Good.